Have you ever wondered what medical science really is? It's a question that sparks curiosity, doesn't it? You see, medical science is not just about white coats, stethoscopes, and hospital wards. It's a vast, intricate field that intertwines numerous disciplines, all with one shared purpose: to comprehend, elucidate, and enhance human health. Imagine a giant puzzle. Each piece, whether it's biology, chemistry, physics, or even the social sciences, fits together to form a comprehensive picture of our health. These pieces delve into questions like: what causes diseases? How can they be prevented or treated? How does our environment influence our health? It's through medical science that we understand why our heart beats, how our brain processes information, and why we fall ill. It explains the miracles of childbirth, the complexities of genetic disorders, and the challenges of mental health. Intrigued? Keep listening as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of medical science. Medical science, in its essence, is the science of understanding the human body, a broad term that houses an array of disciplines. Medical science is the bedrock upon which we build our knowledge of health and disease. It's akin to a vast, intricate puzzle, with each piece representing a different aspect of our physical existence. At the heart of medical science is biomedicine, a field that delves into the biological processes that govern our bodies. Biomedicine seeks to elucidate the complex mechanisms that keep us alive, from the rhythmic beating of our hearts to the silent firing of neurons in our brains. Then we have biotechnology, a field that harnesses the power of living systems to create products or technologies that improve our lives. Biotechnology plays a key role in medical science, enabling the development of new drugs, therapies, and diagnostic tools. Next in line is the fascinating world of genetics. Our genetic code is like a blueprint of our bodies, containing instructions for every single cell. By studying genetics, medical scientists can identify the root causes of certain diseases and conditions, paving the way for personalized medicine. But medical science isn't just about understanding how our bodies work. It's also about understanding how they break down. It's about identifying the culprits behind diseases, whether they're rogue cells invading pathogens or genetic mutations. And once these culprits are found, medical science is about finding ways to stop them in their tracks, to treat and cure diseases. To sum it up, medical science is a vast and ever-evolving field. It's a journey of discovery, a quest for knowledge that constantly pushes the boundaries of what we know about ourselves. It's about unraveling the mysteries of the human body, one cell at a time, one gene at a time, one disease at a time. Medical science is the cornerstone of modern healthcare, shaping our understanding of the human body and its ailments. It's the beacon that guides us in our fight against disease, illuminating the path towards a healthier, brighter future for all of us. Why is medical science important, you might ask? Well, let's delve into that. Medical science is like a guardian angel that watches over us, shielding us from the many health threats that exist. It's a field that intertwines with our everyday lives, even in ways we may not always realize. Think of your morning routine. Perhaps you take vitamins or medication prescribed by a doctor. That's medical science at work. Or consider when you're cooking dinner and you wash your hands to keep germs at bay. Again, that's medical science, educating us about the importance of hygiene to prevent illness. Now, let's talk about the big stuff: the prevention, diagnosis, and treatment of diseases. Medical science is the force behind vaccines that protect us from diseases like measles, polio, and the flu. It's the reason we have diagnostic tests to detect conditions early when they're most treatable. It's the power behind treatments that can manage or even cure diseases that were once considered death sentences. And it doesn't stop there. Medical science is also about improving the quality of life. It's about creating prosthetics that restore mobility, developing pain management strategies, and pioneering mental health therapies. It's about extending the human lifespan, yes, but it's also about making those extra years truly worth living. The advancements in medical science over the past century have been nothing short of extraordinary. Life expectancy has soared. Childhood mortality has plummeted. Diseases that were once widespread are now rare. We've reached a point where we're not just surviving, we're thriving. So, the next time you pop a vitamin, get a vaccine, or even wash your hands, remember the role of medical science. It's not just about doctors and hospitals. It's about a quest for knowledge that's made our lives healthier, longer, and better. Without medical science, the health landscape as we know it today would be drastically different. So let's take a moment to appreciate the importance of this field in our lives. Now, how does medical science work? Well, it's a meticulous process that begins with a simple observation or the identification of a health problem. Perhaps a physician notices a pattern in their patients, or a researcher identifies a gap in our current understanding. This initial spark sets the wheels in motion. Next, there's the research phase. This involves delving into existing scientific literature, conducting studies, and gathering data. It's like piecing together a puzzle with a million tiny pieces. In this stage, medical scientists may employ a variety of methods, from laboratory experiments to clinical trials, to understand the nature of the health issue and its potential solutions. The findings from these studies then need to be validated. This is where the process of peer review comes into play. Other experts in the field scrutinize the study, examining the methods used, the data collected, and the conclusions drawn. This rigorous review process helps ensure that the findings are accurate and reliable. Once a potential solution passes this scrutiny, it's time for application in clinical settings. This could mean a new treatment protocol for a disease, a novel surgical technique, or a groundbreaking vaccine. But the journey doesn't end here. Even after implementation, continuous monitoring is essential to ensure the solution is effective and safe in the long run. Feedback from these real-world applications can often lead to further research and refinement. Throughout this process, it's vital to remember that medical science is iterative. It's a cycle of observation, research, validation, and application. Each step builds on the previous one, driving the field forward. And while this process may seem lengthy and arduous, it's this meticulous attention to detail that ensures the reliability of medical science. The process of medical science is a complex one, but it's this rigor and scrutiny that makes it trustworthy. The journey from initial observation to clinical application is painstaking, but it's this commitment to thoroughness and accuracy that helps us trust in the life-changing power of medical science. So what does the future hold for medical science? Let's take a journey to the future, a future where medical science is about to take a giant leap. One of the significant advancements we can expect is personalized medicine. This approach tailors treatments to each individual's unique genetic makeup, lifestyle, and environment. In other words, doctors will be able to prescribe the right drug for the right patient at the right time. Imagine a world where diseases are not just treated, but prevented before they even occur. That's the power of personalized medicine. Next, let's talk about gene therapy. This innovative technique introduces, removes, or changes genetic material within a patient's cells to treat or prevent disease. The potential of gene therapy is enormous. It could offer cures for genetic disorders that were once considered untreatable, like cystic fibrosis or muscular dystrophy. We're talking about rewriting the very code of life to mend our bodies from within. Now, let's turn our attention to artificial intelligence, or AI, in healthcare. AI is poised to transform the way we diagnose and treat diseases. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, AI can help doctors make more precise diagnoses and predict patient outcomes. Imagine a world where AI systems could scan medical images and detect abnormalities faster and more accurately than the human eye. Or a world where AI algorithms could predict disease outbreaks before they happen. That's the potential of AI in healthcare. But let's not forget, these advancements are not without challenges. Ethical considerations, data privacy concerns, and the need for rigorous testing and regulation are all hurdles that we must overcome. Yet, with the right balance of innovation and caution, the future of medical science is indeed bright. So as we step into the future, we can look forward to a world where medical science has revolutionized healthcare. A world where diseases are detected early, treatments are personalized, and patient outcomes are significantly improved. The future of medical science is bright, promising a healthier and longer life for all. In summary, medical science is the science of understanding, explaining, and improving human health. Today, we've journeyed together through the intricate landscape of this fascinating field. We began by defining medical science, breaking it down into its fundamental elements and exploring its purpose. We then delved into the importance of this science, highlighting how it shapes our health and well-being. Our exploration led us through the process of medical science, where we discovered how it unravels the mysteries of the human body and creates solutions for our health issues. Finally, we ventured into the future of medical science, showcasing how it continually evolves to meet our ever-changing health needs. This journey has merely scratched the surface of what medical science encompasses. It's a vast, ever-expanding field, continually pushing the boundaries of our knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of medical science. Remember, the pursuit of knowledge never ends. Stay curious.